Hello everyone, welcome to Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. I am Vijay. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Let's discuss today's topic.
Today I will explain one of the interview question. That question name is uh, display group of employees based on city. We need to display a group of employees based on city. In particular city, how many employees are there in the organization? Uh, that need to display that employee list, group of employees. Actually, already I written that one. Employee list already is there. I have already created class, and employee one class is an entity class. In this one, I written some of the parameters. That means some of the variables I declare, and I created the employee constructor, and I created the setter getter methods for all variables. And finally I override the toString method. The override toString method, I based on the employee entity, I added the list of employees in that entity. And now I will create and I will see what is the how to display a group of employees in based on city. By city, first I will create main method, then I will map. I will create map. Here I will create string. Here need to list of strings. We need to give list of strings. That means multiple employees there we need to display. Group by city equal to, I will write employee list, already created employee list. I am using that one, get element by id dot. First I need to convert the stream format, then you can use the collectors dot grouping by. Here I need to give the employee. Get city, based on city you need to display, means you can use the city, get city. Now we can display these values. Grouping by city, that for each we can use for each key and value pair, key comma value. Now sysout, we need to write the sysout. We can use the k value. Now you can display what is the output of this one. See, New Delhi, Chennai, Pune, Noida, Mumbai. Based on the city, we are displaying the employee list, group of employee list. You see, you can observe here id is equal to 4 and id is equal to 3. That means 2 employees in Chennai. In Bangalore also 2 employees is there. Like that we can display group of employees. This is also one of the interview question.
If you need more information about this topic, could you please ping me in the below comment box? Could you please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching.